Andy Liebner here at the US Ski Poles. This is the repair kit video showing you the exact application and how to use our repair kit. We made a repair kit because we've got a lot of inquiries about repairing and fixing carbon fiber bike frames, fishing poles, tent pieces, even ski poles. Not always our brand. There's many other brands that that have some issues with poles breaking. And so this is the kit and how to use it. This is a 3-piece repair kit. We have multiple repair kits, 2-piece and up to 5-piece, so depending on the diameters that you need. It comes with several pieces that are 5 inches long, plus an instruction sheet. It tells you how to do it all, and a little piece of sandpaper and some glue. So what I'm going to do with this pole, and there's a pole here that's severed an issue right in the middle, is I'm taking our 13mm OD shaft. It's a 5-inch piece, and I'm going to put glue on one side and slide it in, let it cool, and then put glue on the other side and then slide it in and let it cool. So just bear with me here and I will get the heat turned on. We have a heat gun. We have special glue. Your repair kit obviously comes with your glue stick yourself, and it's very, very simple. Just heat up that glue. We'll make sure you get a lot of glue on there. So you want to just make sure that that stays nice and warm all around the edges. And you can't go wrong with too much glue, because the excess will just come out as you put it on. So I think I've got enough glue there. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist it as I'm applying it straight into the pole. I might pull it back out. We'll put it on about halfway. That's about halfway. So I'm going to let that cool for a little while. And as you can see right here, the edges are encapsulated. You can cut them flush, so it is a nice flush fit, but I like to leave them somewhat angled, so then the pole has less chance of twisting. They kind of interlock in a way. And you want to let that sit for 2 to 3 minutes before we do anything else. So it's been 3 minutes now, and I've let that cool, so it's not going to twist as we're applying it into the lower half. I'm going to turn the heat gun back on and then get the glue going. And I'm going to apply the glue to this end. I'm going to rotate that. So you get lots and lots of glue. Okay, so I believe that's enough glue for now. And I'm going to carefully, okay, I've got enough glue there, so now I'm going to carefully apply this, twisting back and forth. I want to line up the spine so it meets exactly right. And now I want to heat up both sides so that glue is just right, warm enough that they merge better. And encapsulate any loose fibers. You can use a piece of sandpaper and sand them down. Can get a little messy, but I'll clean that up with a rag and some sandpaper, and it'll be perfect. So I've just finished heating up the seam and cleaning up the edge so there's no loose ends. This repair kit can be used with any brand pole, and as well as fishing poles or tent poles, hiking poles, bike frames. You can do the same process. You can also add a sleeve over the top in addition to the inside. It's just nice doing it on the inside because you don't see it After this has been applied, you'll notice that it actually has more strength on the load direction. And you won't notice the weight because it's less than a gram. So the thing is with repair kits is that they're not available anywhere. And we're the first company to ever make them. So similar to a bike tube repair kit, everyone's got one when they do high mileage cycling. Everybody's got a spare tire in their car. Now you can have a repair kit for your ski pole and bring it with you at the competitions, or even if you're just out trekking. All you need is a light flame, fire source of any source to use that glue, and you can fix your pole on the spot without having to get an entirely new shaft. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the trails, and again, US Ski Poles is leading the way with innovation, listening to our customers first. Thanks.